This is OnePlus 11, and in this video I would like to share top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I will demonstrate how you can set up the fingerprint recognition screen lock method. So in order to do that, you will need to launch settings. Onwards, enter the password and security category, tap at the fingerprint section, then continue. Choose the password type that you would like to set as your backup screen lock method. The list of available options is you can either go for numeric, alphanumeric, or pattern password. I'll go with pattern myself. Then wait for this continue button to become active. Tap on it, then set the password that you would like to use, re-enter it to confirm. And now we can start enrolling the fingerprint. As you can see, the scanner is located underneath the screen over here. So simply lay and lift your finger onto the scanner, slightly adjusting its positioning and changing it each time you lay it, so the entire surface of your fingerprint will be correctly scanned. So my fingerprint was added. Now I can test it out and see how well it works. So as you can see, it works very swiftly, and it will not register any other fingerprint as well. So great success. The next option I wanted to demonstrate is located at the display and brightness category. It is called the screen refresh rate, and you can change it between the values of 60 and 120 Hz. So long story short, as you can see by looking at those animations, the higher display refresh rate will result in smoother and silkier animations and overall visual experience, but at the same time it will consume more power. So if you would like to save some of the battery you have left, just but modify this value to be standard. If your battery is sufficient, or simply not having enough power is not your concern, you can always opt to the high value of 120 Hz. The next feature you can find at the wallpapers and style category. It is called the always on display, and it allows you, once enabled, it allows you to display some crucial information and controls even once your screen is completely shut down or turned off. So you can change what information will be shown, like show some of the contextual information for certain supported apps. You can change the display option that will be used. I'll set it to be visible permanently. What information will be displayed, and whether you would like to receive and see new notifications at your AOD as well. In here, as you can see, there are quite a few designs to choose from. You can go for whatever one that you want. You can go with the text and image design and set the custom image and text message for the AOD. You can also modify the text color, increase or respectively decrease the text size, make it bolder or thinner, align it to your liking, choose its location in relation to the picture that you have uploaded, increase or decrease the character spacing and line spacing as well. Now once you will apply your changes, the AOD that you have customized and personalized will be displayed, as I've already mentioned, even once your display or screen is completely turned off. The next feature or tip is rather a small one. I will quickly demonstrate how you can display the battery percentage at the status bar. So in order to do that, you will need to go into settings, then enter the notifications and status bar, go for the status bar, open the battery percentage section or window, and choose the option that you would like to go for. You can either show it inside the battery icon or outside the battery icon. I'll go for the outside the battery icon option, and moreover, you can also change the icon for the battery indicator as well, or completely remove it. Alrighty, moving to the fifth and final tip for today, that's a performance and productivity tip. So in order to access this feature that I'm about to show you, you will also need to launch settings, then enter the About Device category and tap at the RAM section over here. Now turn the switch on, and as you could have already noticed, this feature is the RAM expansion or RAM boost. So basically what it does, it adds an additional virtual random access memory to the one that you have, well, hardwarely installed inside your phone frame, and it does so by occupying the same amount of internal storage and repurposing it for being your RAM basically, or additional RAM rather. Choose how many gigabytes you would like to increase your RAM for, and then restart the device in order for those changes to take effect. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention. If you have any questions or suggestions, probably leave them at the comment section below, and I will see you around. Bye bye.